What's up, YouTube? Shawn with the Guaranteed Success Plan, and today I want to talk about EXP and how it's changing the real estate game. And no, I'm not going to talk about rev share, stocks, any of that kind of shit. We've all heard it before. Yes, it's amazing. Yes, it's great, but this is not one of those videos. This is actually how it's changing the game. Real estate is being flipped on its head, and it's really all thanks to EXP. I'm going to break it down. Let's cut the fluff and get straight into it. There's been a few real big game changers in real estate. You know, we can rewind back to Remax, how they came out with the big desk instead of that big split where agents were paying, 40, 60, 80, $100,000 to the brokerage. Remax kicked that to the curb and they came out with that $1,200 or $1,500 a month desk fee. And then all the big agents were going to them. And because the big agents were going, it was the cream of the crop brokerage. It was the best of the best. They truly did change the game. They're the reasons why teams are so big and powerful right now. Literally amazing. Then we fast forward to Keller Williams, where they came out with the profit share. And again, profit share is what's left after everything is left over. So once all the expenses and all that kind of stuff is paid, if there's profit, you guys get a little piece of it. Awesome, changed the game. It gave agents something other than just commissions to chase, which is again, a beautiful, beautiful thing. And then EXP shows up. So this is the next big game changer. And again, there's a million videos on rev share, stocks, and all that kind of stuff. That's not what I want to get into today. What I want to get into today is strictly because of the rev share, the incredible, powerful groups that are starting to come out that are truly game changing. And what I mean by that is now you're getting support groups like the one that we have here, the Guaranteed Success Plan, that is literally giving coaching, mentorship, guidance, accountability, every single thing that teams offer, but they're offering it up at no split. And that's because we're paid through the rev share. So let me break this down a little bit further. If you join a team, you're gonna be giving, the best that I've seen is 25% on deals that you bring in and about 50% on deals that they give you. So when they hand you a lead, you're paying 50% of your commission plus whatever the brokerage charges, if it's a split or a desk fee or anything. So if you're on a team, you're gonna be giving up, give or take 30, 45% of your commission to the team lead. It's all great, whatever. You get leads and then you get the knowledge, accountability, all that kind of stuff, which you really should have as a new agent, which really the brokerage should be providing you, but they're clearly not. That's why teams have showed up. The beauty of the rev share is because it pays so well. It's attracting agents like myself to give all of the knowledge, all of the experience, all of the things that I've been doing to become successful to the GSP team or to the rev share lines for free. For example, what I'm talking about is I know that it's important to wake up early. So everybody in our group, we all wake up early. We get on a 6 a.m. accountability check-in where we jump on a Zoom. We all see each other. We all know we're awake. We all know that we've done our daily affirmations, our daily plan, and everybody breaks off into a workout or whatever they do for their morning routine. Then we meet back up at 8:30. We run a sales meeting every single weekday, Monday to Friday. We dig into each other's business, find out what's going on with clients, find out what you're prospecting, make sure we're following up. All of those things that we actually truly need as agents, again, when we have that employee mindset, the things that we should be doing, but a lot of us don't. In our group, you are going to do it 100%, which means your business is going to absolutely skyrocket. These are some of the most important things that teams offer. These are some of the best things that teams offer, but because of the rev share, we're actually doing it at no charge. That's because I know if I could take an agent that's doing, let's say, really poor 3, 5, 8 deals a year, and I can make them a good, strong agent of 20 to 25 deals, or I could take an agent that's doing well, 20, 25 deals, pump them up to 50 or 60, those agents are gonna become raving fans of the group and of what we're doing. So they're gonna go out and they're actually gonna talk to their friends and their agents and tell them, you know what? The reason my business is exploding is because I joined this group and they forced the greatness out of me. Then they're gonna track those agents over into them. We put them under their rev line so that they're making the passive income now. They're making the extra money, but they get all the coaching, support, and mentorship that we provide for our group. This way, our group starts multiplying in an incredible way. We're all enjoying the rev share. We're all working together. We are all tied into each other's success. That does not exist in real estate. It truly, truly doesn't. When you join a brokerage, you become an island. You are your own business. Nobody is going to help you. You might get at best someone that maybe gives you a tip here or there, but they don't want to give you the whole game because you're in their market. You're going to be taking part of their market share. The brokers are typically too busy, or it's been such a long time since they've actually sold anything. They're so far removed from the game. They're not a whole lot of help either. Again, they're there to make sure you don't get sued, you fill out the paperwork properly, you stay in compliance. As far as your day-to-day business and driving your business hard, I don't see many brokers that actually provide that value. They're really there passively, not actively. So this is how EXP is truly changing the game, and it is so beautiful to see. I'm telling you, when I started this group, I didn't see a whole lot of them around. Now I fast forward a few months, I see them everywhere. There are so many subgroups inside the EXP culture, and they will literally help you and your business. Obviously, I'm gonna feel like mine's the best. It's something that we've created. We spent a ton of time, a ton of energy in developing plans and strategies to help agents all over North America. And now that we've expanded overseas, we're gonna be helping agents over there as well. I've literally seen agents double to triple their income inside the group. One of my favorite ones is an agent that's actually been around for 15 years, super successful agent, was making around $250,000 a year, 300,000. He's now spent 1 full year inside the GSP group. He literally had his best year, $600,000 he's made literally inside 1 year, doubling his income, little over double, literally just because he was part of an accountability group. He was already a successful agent. He was already doing $250,000 a year. That is already super impressive. But now, because he was forced into the accountability portion, plus he was sparked by all the success that was happening around him, he drove his business through the roof. I have other agents that their first year in the business, they did about 3 deals. Now they've been over here averaging about 3 deals a month. Think about the income difference there. 3 deals to 3 deals a month. And these people pay nothing into the split. No team fees, no charges, no random things. Literally, because their success becomes my success, and I can only hit my goals if all of my group hits their goals. I am truly tied into you and your goals and your success, and so is the rest of the team. And that's how EXP is changing the world, and that's how EXP is changing the game. So if you're at your brokerage right now and you're feeling alone, you're feeling like you're trying to do everything by yourself and it's just truly not working out, or you're not hitting all your goals that you want to hit, send me a DM, send me an email. Let's connect, let's talk, let's see if it's a good fit for you. Because I'm telling you, having something like this, having these type of groups will truly not only make your business, but will make your life better. We are not all just about sales. We are actually truly about handling all the anxiety, the depression, the stress, the loneliness, all of the stuff that comes inside this business. We take care of all of that. So as always, if this video is useful and you want me to keep putting out this kind of content, you want to keep connecting, ring that bell, subscribe here so you don't miss any videos. And until next time, guys, have a good one.